background baro dispana.
That what we create an impact.
ते जाले तेंगेले मागीर ते उपरांत ती आसता. Can come here. They should be able to chill out. Car rally we'll have from here. We'll do it from here. Only thing is what I am concerned. Be inaugurated in November end, say between 20th and 20th. See, the main thing is the Joggers Park Phase 2 is set for inauguration around the third week of November. And if you recollect, this is one of the best parks in entire Goa. We have added so many new facets. So therefore, the expanded version or the new version of the new Joggers Park at Chikalim is going to be inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister somewhere around the third week of November. And in that direction, I took a review of all that is to be done, works which remain a little bit incomplete, the nitty-gritties of commissioning all the new facets which have been introduced here. And I for one want to say that I am very much satisfied with the work that has gone on, the greening that has gone on, particularly the greenery which is centered around waste water from sewage, which through the WOW plant is coming through a pipeline for watering at Joggers Park. So this is going to maintain the greenery. In the past, there used to be complaints that drinking water is being used for the gardening. How can that be done? And yes, they were right. So now, out of the waste water, around almost 60 to 80,000 liters, we are going to get this water which can be used for watering, which can be used for everything, every purpose except drinking. And this is from raw sewage which our treatment plant does, FSTP plant does. Besides that, from the wet garbage we are able to generate power which also generates enough power to light up the Joggers Park. So these are two savings what we are doing. This money what is saved here is money earned. So I call it the wealth out of waste plant. That's why it is called the WOW plant. In that respect, we had a review there as well to see that services are reaching out to the people, especially those whose septic tanks are full and who are finding about 7,000 charges, 8,000 charges per trip, very costly and unaffordable. We have priced it only at 2,000 and 3,000. 3,000 for the larger capacity tanker and 2,000 for the smaller capacity, say 6,000 liter tanker. This way people will be able to use the services. Now the new thing what we are doing is on 19 December, as you are aware, when the parade takes place on Goa's Liberation Day, it is right here besides the Joggers Park. After the parade and official ceremony is over, always the last 3 years we have been flagging off the vintage car rally. This year, my friend Mr. Babu Kamath is there. All his colleagues have been supportive of having the vintage car rally once again after the official ceremony is over, where there would be more participants coming from all over the country and perhaps from different places where they have never come before with better vintage cars. Now, what we have decided is these cars will be flagged off not from any other venue, from the Joggers Park venue itself, so that it looks awesome. People see that Goa in its true beautiful sense, that cars coming out of a beautiful place with a good atmosphere, good scenic beauty, the aesthetics which are so classic, which will match very well with the vintage cars, which with great pains all the owners they maintain. And I think this is going to be truly a world-class show. Tying up with the vintage car people also will be Goa Miles, who have the first app services for the people of Goa. It was first only a taxi app. Now it's a multimodal app. In the multimodal app, they will be able to travel from a bus to a car to a three-wheeler to a rickshaw, all on one single app. So this is some new things which are taking place. And while showing classy things like the vintage car rally, if they also chip in and we improve the transportation system as well, I think it augurs well for a tourism state like our beautiful state of Goa. So therefore we are moving in this direction. Maybe it is on 19 December. It's lots of time is there, but we believe in doing things in advance. I want to further green this entire place, complete the small things that remain to be done, the nitty-gritties that need to be polished, and this is how we intend to do.